Now let's demonstrate the open chain stitch. Bring the needle through from the left position. Then bring the needle from the lower right to the upper left. Wrap the floss around the back of the needle. Bring the needle from the lower right corner to the upper left corner. Similarly, we will wrap the floss around the back of the needle. Do not pull the floss too tight when pulling it. It will be a little loose. Then continue to repeat the previous steps. Adjust the tension of the floss. The last 2 stitches. First, bring the needle down at the original position in the top left. Then, move the needle to the top right. Bring the needle through this loop. Then bring the needle down at the top right position. This closed buttonhole stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the completed embroidery.